Yeah, so guys, I think it's another time for us to do another program, and we're just going to do a similar program, and this program is going to concern triangles, inverted triangles and normal triangles with the shape of Pascal's triangle, because this is something that people get troubled with. So in the beginning we should fill the normal codes, and I think we should go straight away, and later we're going to do about Floyd's triangles and all the basics concerning C programmings and patterns concerning with the C programs. So let's get started. So let's fill the normal. Okay, let's start. So enter the header files and the void main. Then from here, okay, we need this. Let's delete one of them. Okay, so we'll use integers, int I, j, n, and k. Okay, so if I describe these integers, I will be the number of the respective row that we'll be dealing with. J will be the number of times, or the counters, the number of times that either a digit or a star has to be printed. N is the total number of rows which we should take the input from the user, and k is the number of white spaces that we leave. Okay, so from here let's take the user input to be printf. Okay, like this, printf, enter the number of rows to print. I need this to be printed in the next line. So after that, let's continue and give it an address, scanf. Okay, then after this, the address is going to be an integer. Okay, let's go. Okay, an integer, then let's give it an address. We must use this ampersand. Okay, ampersand n, because it's all allocated in n. Then after this, use the loop for I, which starts from the first row, and I will always be lesser than or equal to the total number of rows which is entered, because we'll be having the first row, second row, third row, fourth row, and fifth row. So either I will be less from 1 to 4 or equal the fifth row. So I will be incrementing this by 1, because we'll be having first row, second row, third row, and continuous. So from here, let's open another loop. Okay, this loop concerns the white spaces that we leave. So for k starting from 1, you can write even 1 or 0. So k starts from 1 or 0. Okay, or 0 if you like. K will always be lesser than or equal to n minus 1. Okay, remember we are doing a program concerning Pascal's triangle, the shape of a Pascal's triangle, not exactly Pascal's triangle, but the shape of Pascal's triangle. So after that, okay, we should write backspace. Okay, after this, k will be increasing all times. Okay, here we must write this way. So for this loop, I have to print something. So printf, just white space, must leave a space here. If you wanted to print a space before the digit, leave a space here. Okay, then after that, continue for the third loop, which is the counter. Okay, for j, okay, j is the counter. J starts from 1, it will print 1 digit or 1 star whatsoever. Then it will go to another j, will be always less or equal to I. Okay, because if I is 2, that means that it's either we will print 2 stars or whatsoever. Okay, I know you understand me there. So here j will be increasing the number of digits to be printed. So it may be one, will be the second row will be printing 3, third row either of them. So from here you can even start predicting the results. Then let's print something. What we'll be printing the integer value, which is always allocated to j. Not always allocated to j, but sometimes it differs. So from here we have to write something to print something for the next line. Now printf, it's just next line. Okay. Get ch. So it's like this. But I think there is a kind of a mistake that we made. For here, j is not equal, less or equal to I. For here, j will be, for example, if we are printing only one star in the first row, that means that in the second row we'll be printing 3 stars. Third row will be printing 4 stars, 5 stars. So odd numbers of stars. So if you check the formula for odd numbers, that means that it will be 2n minus 1. That means, so we just take 2 times the respective column. So 2, maybe if it's the first row, 2 times first row, which is 1, 2 minus 1, which will be 1. So we'll be printing 1. In the second one, we're taking 2 times 2, which will be 4 minus 1, which will be 3. So we're printing only 3 stars or 3 digits. So that means that we must change this place. That means that it's 2 star I minus 1. Poof. Oh. Okay, we change for k to just be the same. I'm talking about for j will be 2 star I minus 1. Poof, there we are. So let's try to compile this and check if there is any mistake that we made. Okay, let's save it as paschals.c. Okay, then save it. Wait, show you any error. Okay, till now I can identify that there is no error. Okay, the number of rows to be printed, maybe I need 5 rows. You see, so it will print just that's the way you planned. 1, 2, 3, that way. So if I want this to resemble maybe 1, then the second row to print 2, 2, 2, third row to print 3, 3, 3, continuous. So instead of printing j here, we'll be printing the value of I, because I keeps increasing. The second one, I will be different. The first one, I is 1. Second one, I is 2. So we'll be printing the value of I only. So that way, let's print 8 maybe. That way, so it will be printing that way. It's easy as ABC. So please guys, do not forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, please press it in my inbox or just in the comment section. I'll just see it straight away. Oh, thank you. See you soon when I'll be doing the Floyd triangle. Okay, thank you so much.